Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Nur Laila, and in this video we will talk about what is it comparative and superlative adjective. So let's start. What is it comparative adjective? Comparative adjectives are a form of adjective that is used to compare two or more objects. These adjectives are used to describe the difference between two or more things. Comparative adjectives are formed by adding the suffix -er to adjectives that only have one syllable, such as tall becomes taller. Example of using comparative adjectives. Number 1. My house is larger than hers. Number 2. The book is smaller than the walrus. Number 3. Your dog runs faster than my dog. Short and long adjectives. Short adjectives are the adjectives that only have one syllable, such as tall, big, and old. Such adjectives form comparative by adding the suffix -er, such as tall becomes taller. Long adjectives are adjectives that have two or more syllables, such as good, happy, and beautiful. Long adjectives form comparative by adding the word more before the adjective, such as good becomes better. Example of comparative adjective sentence. Which one? Larger house vs smaller house. Faster dog vs slow dog. More beautiful flowers vs less beautiful flowers. And next, what is it? Superlative adjective. Superlative adjectives are a form of adjective that is used to compare there or more objects or people. This adjective is used to describe the most extreme or greatest difference between there or more objects or people. Superlative adjectives are formed by adding the suffix -s to adjectives that only have one syllable, such as tall becomes tallest. Short and long adjectives. Short adjectives are adjectives that only have one syllable, such as tall, big, and old. Short adjectives form superlative by adding the suffix -s, such as tall becomes tallest. Long adjectives are adjectives that have two or more syllables, such as good, happy, and beautiful. Long adjectives form superlative by adding the word most before the adjective, such as good becomes best. Example of superlative adjective sentence. Tallest house vs smallest house. Fastest dog vs slowest dog. Most beautiful flower vs less beautiful flower. And then, definition of irregular adjective. Irregular adjectives are a form of adjective that does not follow the general rules for forming comparative and superlative forms. Adjective has a different form than regular adjective and cannot be formed by adding the suffix -er or -s as in regular adjective. Example of irregular adjective and their form and example sentence. So that's finished with our discussion. Let's practice answer the question below. And finally, I will give that conclusion. Comparative adjectives are formed by adding the suffix -er, the short adjective, or by adding the word more before long adjective. Example of short adjectives are tall, big, and old. while examples of long adjectives are good, happy, beautiful, while superlative adjectives are formed by adding the suffix as the short adjectives or by adding the word most. Before long adjective, examples of short adjectives are tall, big, and all, while examples of long adjectives are good, happy, and beautiful, as well as irregular adjectives are a form of adjective that does not follow the general rules for forming comparative and superlative forms. Examples of irregular adjectives are good, bad, far, out, little, money, or much, or some, and others. When using it, you need to pay attention to correct grammar so that sentences are clear and focused. Example sentences that use comparative and superlative adjectives can help explain the use of adjective more clearly. And that's all for me. See you. Bye bye.